Hello everybody and welcome to another Makina editorial entitled Pride and Hate in the Riding Community. So recently, I shared this post by a manufacturer wherein they were acknowledging Pride Month. So kanina umaga, pagbangon ko, tinignan ko yung mga comments and I was quite shocked. And nalungkot din ako at the same time kasi ang daming homophobes, di ba? Ang daming hate. Why do you have to go on a hating tirade, right, over this? And it's really sad. Alam niyo, nagkakaproblema lang naman talaga dito pag nagkakapilitan eh. You know, when people are shoving their beliefs down each other's throats. And this goes both ways for each camp. Like for example, what if I identify as the color blue, 'di ba? Ako ay blue. I am the color blue, call me blue. So yung mga tao naman, tinignan ako, di ka naman blue eh. Ano hindi ako blue? I believe, I identify as blue, I am blue. No, you're not blue. So, doon na, nag-aaway na, right? Dapat doon pa lang, wag na natin pilitin eh. In the sense na, kunyari, Zach, you are blue. Oh, blue ako. Okay. O, di blue ka. Just move on, walk away, and just live your life, right? On the inverse, pati yung nag-identify as the color blue, like myself, oh, I'm color blue. Ayaw mo ako tawagin blue? Ayoko tatawagin blue. Okay, sige, don't call me blue. Basta ako blue. O sige, paniniwala mo blue ka, then you're blue. Okay. O, then peaceful, di ba? Huwag na tayo magtalo. Now, on my end, if a trans approaches me and says, hey, Zach, I was born a male or cis male and then I have transitioned. Ako ay ngayon babae na. I am a woman. My pronouns are her and she. I am a woman. Ako naman, I will say, okay. I will smile and I will acknowledge it. You want to be called her? You want to be a she? You want me to call you miss? No problem. No skin off my back. I'll do it happily. And then we can be friends and move on with life. Walang problema sa akin yun. And on the inverse, kung meron din sumagot dun sa trans na hindi ka tatawagin babae kasi hindi ka babae sa mata ko, dapat yung trans din, ganun din yung attitude na, okay, if you don't want to call me trans, you don't want to acknowledge with what I identify with, sure, no skin off my back. Basta ako, ang paniniwala ko sa sarili ko, I'm worried about myself more than you, ako ay babae. Tapos sa usapan, di ba? Pag nagkaapelitan talaga, dyan nagkakaproblema. I mean, look at religion, right? How many wars did we go through? I mean, how many people have died dahil sa beliefs? Ayan, di ba? People just force their beliefs. It causes tension, and then at the end of the day, ang gulo. My wife is agnostic. Ako naman, I am Christian. It is my baseline belief. I grew up with that, right? So, some people would ask na, oh, Zach, paano yan? Magkaiba yung paniniwala ninyo. I mean, how does that work? Kasi siya ganito, ikaw ganyan, and hindi ba kayo nagkakagulo? Tatagal ba kayo yan? Kasi sinasabi ko lang naman sa asawa ko hindi ka naniniwala. Okay. Di, kung naman yung pupunta sa impyerno, di naman ako so hindi na problema yan. So, tumatawa na lang siya, right? But that does not mean that I'm gonna stop loving her or I'm gonna stop having a relationship with her, right? What she believes in, bahala ka, di ba? What I believe in, and she lets me be, and we're fine. So, in the bigger context, outside the family cell, as a community, sana ganon, di ba? Live, let live. Let them believe with what they want to believe in and just move on. I grew up knowing a lot of gay people. I was also in an all-boys school for a time. So I've seen it all. I've seen some straight guys dry humping each other kasi medyo na-intensify na yung kalibugan kasi of age na, di ba? Puberty. So I get along with them, di ba? Kailangan ko ba magpatsupa sa kanila? Hindi, di ba? But that doesn't stop me from being friends with them or having a good time with them. We're fine. I know a lot of gays in the arts, teatro, music. Gagaling nila, very creative. And we're fine, di ba? Sana ganon. Now, the only time this gets iffy with me is if we are looking at this in the context of sports. Pag meron ng kompetensya at pinaghahalo-halo na natin sila. I saw this argument online and it's pretty sound. What if kunwari si LeBron James naging trans woman, 'di ba? Wala na. She's gonna join the WNBA and she's gonna score 300, 500 points a night, 'di ba? Kahit sabihin natin mag-hormone therapy pa siya, or they're gonna tone down the testosterone para humina siya ng konti or whatever. And here's the thing though, to acknowledge that you have to take hormone therapy, that you have to do all of these things to change your body, already acknowledges that there is a difference between male and female bodies. Kasi pinapalitan natin di ba? Yung mga trans, they acknowledge they have to change so many things to try to have a female body. So, doon pa lang, basihan na yon when we're talking about sports, right? There is a difference. So, I believe that this should be looked into for the benefit of both camps. I think, pwede yan aralin pa paano ba natin to, how can we move forward with that, diba? And of course, doing it in a peaceful way. So, yun lang. It's another Makina editorial. Let me know what you think. Put it in the comments below. This is Zach. Ciao.